Hello everybody. In today's lesson we're going to be going over temperature conversions. In chemistry there are really three temperature scales that we care about. There's Kelvin, which is an absolute temperature. It refers directly to the energy within an item. Celsius, which is more of a scientific temperature but doesn't really have anything to do with energy. And Fahrenheit, which is used in America and a couple other places, and it's just another temperature scale, but it also doesn't really have anything to do with energy. And so when you're doing a lot of problems, you're really only going to use K, which is not a normal temperature scale. And so these conversions become really important. Often on test quizzes and homework, you're going to get a temperature in Celsius or in Fahrenheit, but all the math you have to do with it must be in Kelvin. So hopefully this helps you in those types of problems. Today I'm going to show you how to use these equations given a certain temperature to try to convert to the others. So for the first one, we're going to start with, we have a Fahrenheit temperature of 50. So I know that F is 50. And if I want to convert this to Celsius, I need to find an equation that has C equals, because I want to know what Celsius is, and F in it. And I'm going to plug F into that equation. And when you do that, you're going to get the Celsius temperature, which is 10. And now this is Celsius. And so if I want Kelvin, now I'm going to use this equation. And there you go. When you start with Fahrenheit, you should first go to Celsius and then use your Celsius answer to go to Kelvin. All right, let's see what happens when the temperature is a different scale. So let's say now that I started with the Celsius temperature, -5. So I know what C is, and I want to try to get F and K. And I need to use these F equals and K equals equations. Well, K equals is pretty easy. Let's start with that one. Pretty simple. Now when I want to find F, I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to plug it into my calculator exactly as I wrote it. When you do that, you get 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Final one we're going to do together is, let's see if we started from a Kelvin temperature. How do we go to the rest? When you're given a Kelvin temperature, and here let's start with a big one, then you really only have one choice. You have to go to Celsius first, because there is no F equals equation that has a K in it. So first we need to find out C, and then we're going to use that C to find to find F. So first, C equals. And we get -50C. Now I have C, and so now I actually can use my F equals equation. And there you go. I hope this helped in your temperature conversions. The main things you want to realize is that when you are using these equations, everything here is what you want. I want to get one of these, and that's going to be here. All of this, you're going to use what you already have. So I already have K. I need to find an equation with K in it, and then solve for C, which is what I want. And then if I want F, I need to find an equation with C in it. Right? Have a wonderful day. See you next time.